Welcome everybody, this is my presentation about the forced air system. My name is Lukas Kubeczka and I would like to start with the overview of which topics I'm talking about today. First of all, I will explain how does a forced air heating system work, then the design of forced air furnaces, the parts of a forced air heating system, heat sources, construction, pros and cons, the costs, caring for the system, and at the end, why do we use this system less in Germany? The most common type of HVAC systems in North American households are forced air systems. Forced air furnaces boast optimal practicality and functionality along with enhanced efficiency. They are easy to install and they make it simple to keep your home at your desired temperature. A forced air heating system puts colder air into the ducts and pushes it to the furnace. It heats cold air, then sends it through different ductwork and distributes it through air vents into various rooms throughout the home. A forced air heating system knows when to heat by communicating with the thermostat. When the temperature in the home gets below the settings on the thermostat, the furnace will kick on. Once it reaches your desired temperature, the thermostat signals the burners on the furnace to shut off. These burners use either gas or oil to warm the cold air. Stoves that run on gas or oil are often used as heat sources, or they are operated electrically by a fan heater, but there are also occasional solar air collectors for use as a heat source. The heat transfer takes place almost exclusively by convective heat exchange via the air moved with the help of the heater according to the relationship. The air return is a duct directing air from the room back to the furnace to be reheated. The furnace device creating heat and blowing the air through the duct system. The plenum joining duct between the furnace and the hot air distribution system. Elbow is the connection or a part of a duct for altering the direction of the hot air. Wall stack section is the vertical duct carrying hot air upward toward the recesses on the upper floors. Damper is a mechanism for regulating the volume of air passing through a duct. The main duct is the duct that leaves the furnace and carries hot air toward the branch ducts. The branch duct is a duct that's usually made of shield metal, carrying the hot air toward the radiators. A hot air register, adjustable grill located at the end of a duct through which hot air is distributed throughout a room. There are a lot of pros and cons of a forced air heating system. I will start with the pros. It's quick, sensible heat or cooling to the airflow. It's usually cheaper to install, especially if combined with cooling, as in complete HVAC air conditioning systems, and it has a lowered heating time and it's very energy efficient. The cons are the air or room temperature fluctuation can be enormous and uncomfortable. Rise in space are cold and hot spots. The dust is being blown around and it makes dispersion noise, and at the end the expensive ductwork. The average cost of forced air heating in a home is approximately $100 to $200 per month. The exact cost will vary widely depending on factors such as size of a home, average outside temperature, insulation rating of the home. On the right side you can see a table with all costs, with an overview from low to high quality. It is necessary to clean or replace the filter monthly during the heating season, and brush and vacuum heat exchanger surface annually, and clean the blower blades at the start of each heating season. Examine the ducts annually for leaks and seal any leaks. For more complicated medicine, you should consider hiring an HVAC professional. Why is this system less used in Germany? It's because the heat output is low and it only heats the air, is often only used in areas where the heat demand is low and the air stores less than the water. And the last point is the system is more likely to be found in the warmer regions. My opinion is the system is more likely to be used where the rooms only have to be heated up briefly. In my opinion, such a system would not work well in Germany, simply because the weather is much colder than, for example, in the US, where the system is mostly used. For colder regions, it's more likely to be used radiator systems, so the heat can be saved. Yeah, that was my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.